How to remove Google Chrome on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, as you can see, I have Google Chrome application. So okay guys, to remove this, you'll have to do is go to Finder, and the left side of this Finder, okay, go to Application. Here in Application, okay, find the Google Chrome. So to remove this Google Chrome application on your MacBook Air, okay, you'll have to do is select this and right click on your mouse and click the Move to Trust. And the application is moved to trust. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the Google Chrome application on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you want to permanently delete, okay, go to Trust and delete this Google Chrome. Okay, click the Empty Trust and click the Empty Trust again button to delete permanently the Google Chrome. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the Google Chrome application on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.